Oncogenic viruses. Oncovirus is a virus that causes cancer. So, there are some viruses which are responsible for causing cancers. The viruses that produce tumors in the natural host or in the experimental animals or induce malignant transformation of cells in the culture are known as oncogenic viruses. Many genera of DNA viruses are found to produce tumors, whereas only RNA viruses, it's mainly from the retrovirus, but there are another one that's from the enterovirus, hepatitis C. These oncogenic viruses formerly known as oncoviruses. Bit of the discovery of the viruses. 1964, Anthony Epstein-Barr. So you may remember what is this Epstein-Barr. If you recall herpes virus family, Epstein-Barr. So it's and Barr identified first human oncovirus. So it is Epstein-Barr from Burkitt lymphoma cells. Late in 1980, there's another virus. It's from the retrovirus family, HTLV, human T lymphotropic virus, first human retrovirus. It was discovered by Bernard and Robert. 2008, Chang and Mu developed a new method to identify cancer viruses based on computer subtraction of human sequences from the tumor. So advancement of the technology. So interaction of oncogenic viruses with host cells. Oncogenic viruses cause mutations like changes in host cells by transformation. Usually following viral infection anyhow, viral genome is integrated into human genome or human chromosomes. So often they remain as late. But some viruses, some DNA viruses, few RNA viruses are responsible for causing mutations in the human genome, and it leads to oncogenic transformation. This transformation represents the various changes that accompany the conversion of normal cell into the cancerous or malignant cell. So properties of cells transformed by viruses. Alteration in the shape. There are particular cell shape, and also loss of contact inhibition. Instead of growing as monolayers, they grow peeled up or one or another forming microtubules. So growth is not regulated. There are oncogenes as well. Genes that are responsible for the induction of tumors are called oncogenes. Many of them not only play an important role in malignant transformation, but also in normal cell growth. So there are viral oncogenes. V-onc means oncogenes represent viruses, while cellular oncogenes are the genes isolated from the cancer cells. So this bit of the pathophysiology, usually among immunocompetent people, following infection of oncovirus like hepatitis B, human papillomavirus, likewise normal target cell, infected cell from the NK cells and T cytotoxic cells may destroy those and leading to cell death among immunocompetent ones. But when among the immunodeficient, following acquired or inherited immunodeficiencies, once infected, it leads to minor clearance or control, but it mainly leads to chronic infection. Ultimately, this immune dysregulation or leading tissue damage, this because ongoing chronic infection leading to genome instability. And also there's a gene called tumor suppression gene, P54. So you may recall your biochemist then viral integration. All leads to the turn into the normal cell into a malignant cell. It's malignant transformation. So chronic infection, immunocompromised people are more, vulnerable for such transformation. So just there are some immunodeficiencies prevent viral clearance, results in chronic infection and sometimes cancer. So that is the outcome of this oncoviruses infection among immunodeficient community. So this is what we call papovirus, human papillomavirus, so DNA virus, herpes viruses, Epstein-Barr virus mainly, then hepatitis B, pox viruses, and adenoviruses some. So papillomavirus produce what and papilloma in their host. So we later discuss about this. Human papillomavirus has produced lesions in female and male genital tract. HPV uh, 18, 11, those are the more with 16 and 18, sorry, and 5 and 11, so mainly 16 and 18. Herpes virus, there's a HSV type 2 has caused cancer of uterine cells, while HSV1 cause cancer of lips, sexually transmitted infections. Hep B, hepatitis B mainly cause hepatocellular carcinoma. Poxviruses usually above wine monkey cause cancer in monkeys, but it's mainly in monkeys. Adenoviruses, some human adenoviruses may produce sarcoma and astrocyte experimental inhalation. But so those are the oncogenic potential is there. RNA viruses, oncogenic RNA viruses, except hepatitis C virus belongs to the family retrovirus. Hepatitis C is from the enterovirus. So oncogenic retroviruses are mainly responsible for leukemias and sarcomas in their host. So human T cell leukemia virus, hepatitis C virus, those are the one